Question tags. How do we use question tags? Let's have a look. Question tags are very common and important to understand. Question tags are used only in speech. Question tags are not used in written English. A question tag is used to invite or encourage the listener to respond with a comment. For example, "The weather is beautiful today, isn't it?" The speaker is saying, "I think the weather is beautiful. What do you think about the weather? Do you agree with me? What do you think about the weather? What do you think? I want your opinion." Here are some other examples. "The movie was good, wasn't it?" "I liked it. Did you? What did you think?" "My idea is good, isn't it?" "I think it's a good idea. What do you think?" "My shoes are dirty, aren't they? What do you think about my shoes?" So, a positive sentence would have a negative tag. A negative sentence would have a positive tag. For example, "It's hot." You're saying it is hot. That's positive. So the tag would be a negative, "isn't it?" It's isn't. And "you're tall," that would be "aren't you?" You are, aren't you? And "you must," mustn't. So positive sentence, negative tag, negative sentence, positive tag. You understand now? Positive, don't you? That's the negative. One last thing to learn. Tags can also be used to say what the speaker thinks is true. The speaker may not be 100% sure. They may want to be corrected if they're wrong. For example, "Robert lives in London, doesn't he?" The speaker is saying, "I think Robert lives in London, but I don't know for sure. I don't know if I'm correct, but I think he does." Thank you for watching.